You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Name pronunciation for more names from the fourth wing. Make sure to stay tuned to the channel. All character names here from Scottish Gaelic and originally from Irish, meaning gift. That's the first name here. Dan, not Dane. Dan is how it's said in Scottish Gaelic. Dain Aetos. Dain Aetos. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.